ZENA stock analysis and ZENA stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do it, how I'm going to trade ZenaTech stock. And it's the only guy in the space that's done this for 46,000 videos over a 5-year time period. I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And ultimately, as I'm just looking at this, it was so freaking simple, right? Like the only thing that I hoped I saw was a full 2 to 4 hour candle close above 519. And I'm yet to see that, right? The price still hasn't given me that. It just gave me like 1 week break, which is nothing. But yeah, ultimately, only if I see this second break would I look to take things up. And on the way up, I've gotten like 2 dubs, 1 break even and a loss. So only still all it comes down to is if I see this second shift, only then I would look to take things up. And everything else would just rather be noise. So that's a ZENA. This is obviously not financial advice. And if you do want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.